Kerry must have found him up there somewhere.
Fitted on the flywheel. phone to, that's where we're going. We all went out.
It's like this, and on the way past, and I was being really embarrassed. Oh yes, I was
For sale.
12.5. Did you see the mileage when you opened the door?
No, I didn't.
28.
Is that right?
It seems to be genuine as well.
Yeah.
The only thing that's been redone is like new tyres, and it was resprayed when they pulled it out.
Yeah.
Apparently it was in a garage down in Epsom apparently. When they took the covers off, this is what I'm told, the early metallics weren't very good, and of course it pulled a lot of the paint off.
Oh, really? Yeah.
But wherever you look in the engine bay, boot, behind the rubbers, it's that colour, so I'm sure that it must be original colour.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good. Happy days.
Thank you.
What is it exactly?
An Armstrong Siddeley.
Oh, it's an Armstrong. It is an Armstrong Siddeley. Was it late 40s?
58.
Oh, I'm well out then, aren't I? In
Yeah,
that
10
one.
years out.
Yeah. I don't remember that model.
No, well, they didn't make many of them.
No.
Just saying to the gentleman, 803 of them, that's all they made. And then Rolls-Royce took them over and of course they
Yeah,
closed it.
that's right. Yeah.
Well, they closed the car division.
I just open it up.
Yeah.
He's got a new badge on the front.
Yeah.
How long has he had that?
Oh, very short space of time.
I was going to say. It's rather posh.
Yeah. He saw that
Yeah.
somewhere, and he mulled over and thought, well, shall I or shan't I?
Yeah.
Sort of thing. And when he went back, he thought that had gone. It's one of a pair. Like that.
Right.
He's today's the first day he's put it on.
Yeah, love it.
Got the little.
He just said that he would not let anything pipe. He pipes money from fruit, and he said can't make it.
More narrow.
So far that they can see the face. But you could be out as far as down the market and still see the face. So, you know, it's a fair old trip. Some of them will go for a coast. Well, he was out over a mile, and when he turned against the wind, we walked down.